Hi, Animal Love Fest friends and family. Hope you guys are doing well today. Jax isn't feeling too good. We took him to the doctors, and unfortunately they had another dental surgery that they were stuck in the middle of, and told us to come back after 2 or tomorrow. And I thought we would be able to wait until tomorrow, but this kid, I brought him up to the mountains like I said I was going to do. I needed some quiet. I needed to hear myself think. Just downtime. Ground myself out in some dirt and trees in nature. Breathing the fresh air. You can tell that there's a great breeze out here. It's just... yes. Fresh air. Time away. Quiet. It is so nice. I even turned the radio off because I just didn't even want to hear that. Just really wanted to just be in nature. And I wish we can stay, but I'm worried about him. Usually he's out exploring the second we get out of the car. I haven't been able to get him to move from this spot since I set him down. As soon as I put him down, he stayed right there. That's not like him at all. So he's not feeling good. I saw his tummy moving around on the way up here. It was kind of making some weird jolting kind of thing. So yeah, that's not good. I don't want to take too long with this video because I did do another video for you guys that I haven't uploaded yet. And of course, you know, that means, right, I don't have the room. So yeah, I don't want to take too long, but I am going to take some pictures of the mountains and stuff and us, and we'll put it up on Instagram. Sorry, this is just a car parked next to us, but that's where he laid down when I took him out of the truck. It's nice and cool on the ground, I'm sure you can imagine. It's truly, truly beautiful. I mean, God, it's so nice to just hear myself, like, just quiet. I don't know any other way to say it. But we love you guys, and like I said, we'll try to put some pictures up on Instagram. But you can kind of see where we're at. We're just, if anybody knows LA, we're up in Big Tujunga. Oh my God, I knew something was up. Okay, so I've been coming here since I was a teenager, literally, since I was like 14, 15 years old. For many years. We always had flowing water through here, and to the point down further in here, you used to be able to swim, literally. That's how high it was. There's areas up higher in the mountain where we used to go, and it was 6 feet deep at sometimes, and my mom literally almost drowned one time. I mean, that's how serious the flow of water was. But then for many years with the drought and everything, not only did they stop the dam up at the top of the mountain, so no water was coming down, but then we had a huge fire, 2 of them, that took all of this out. Everything that you're seeing was completely gone. Well, almost. I don't want to say right here, because they were able to save a lot of this area particularly, but it did skip around the mountain on the outside and then across on that side of the mountain. It went far up all the way out to the 2, which I'm sure you guys remember if you're from around here, the 2 fire, the Angeles Crest fire. But anyway, so as you can tell, the reason why I bring it up is because look at this, and not only that, there's water. I have not seen water down here in years. I thought I heard it, so I wanted to take a step forward, but it is actually flowing. It looks kind of stagnant right there, but it is flowing. You can see it by the rocks over here. So yeah, it's really nice. I really wish Jax was feeling better so that we can go down and explore a little. It's a great place to explore. Actually, I will say this also, and if I get cut off, I'm sorry. I'm still going to post the video just so you guys know, so just bear with us. The last time I was here, you couldn't even find a bug on the ground, and I'm not even kidding you. Not an ant, not a squirrel around here, not a lizard, nothing. Everything was killed in the fire, or it was, you know, forced to go further in other places and hadn't made it yet back, or it just didn't survive without any water wherever it went. But so obviously with the water back and everything is thriving. I knew it when I looked over the mountain and saw everything so green. The trees are so lush and large. Look at that. I mean, they haven't been like that in many, 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 many years. There's ants on the ground. It's just, yeah, it's alive again. And it's nice to see. It really is. I literally was crying after the fire. A friend's house burned down up here, and quite a few houses burned down further down the mountain. So, yeah, it was really, really sad. But look at this. I mean, we even have flowers, beautiful yellow flowers. It's all just free-growing nature. There's nobody taking care of this. This is what true wild nature is outside of LA, the city. You see the water running down there? God, I want to go down there. Hold on, let me see if I can get Jax. So we made it down to the water. We ended up meeting somebody. That beautiful husky. I took pictures, so you guys are going to have to look on Instagram. I really didn't want to record because he was talking. But she came and laid right here in the middle of the water. She just came walking right past me and Jax all by herself. And yeah, it was kind of freaky in the middle of the mountains and having a husky just walk past you like she knew exactly where she was going, which she did. So anyways, yeah, again, you'll have to look at Instagram for those pictures later. So we made it down to the water, and as you can tell, it's beautiful. And Jax is cooling off the tummy and his feet. Huh? Cooling yourself off? Yeah. But we're going to go ahead and get out of here. I'm going to go get our cat litter, and it looks like we're going to have to go back to the vet today because he's really just not feeling well. I thought we were going to make it until tomorrow morning. I don't know, I guess we'll have to play it by ear, but right now it's not looking too good for that. So it's still a couple hours away before we can take him back anyway. But God, has it been nice to just have some quiet. Listen to this.